Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating a burgundy eye look using Kylie Jenner's Burgundy palette. I love this palette. Love, 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 love. So far I have prepped and primed my face and put some foundation on and did my eyebrows. I'm going to start with my transition color, which is going to be these two colors mixed. Blend that right into my crease and like kind of above my crease more or less. So the color wasn't as brown as I wanted it, so I just added a little bit more, or a little bit of this color. Alright, now I'm going to take this gold shimmery color, and just a little bit of this as well. Blend that into my lid. I'm going to blend this up into my crease. So now I'm going to take my crease brush and I'm going to take this color right here and mix that with a little bit of this and put that right into my crease. Same crease brush and take this shimmery brown and blend that into my outer eyelid. I'm going to take my all over shadow brush by Kyshadow and I'm going to take that gold color once more. It's more like a copper. I want to say gold, but it's a copper color. And just to like the inner corner and blend that in. I'll take my blending shadow brush and I'm going to take this light color here and I'm going to blend that into my eyebrow and soften up that upper crease. Again, with my blending shadow brush, I'm going to take the brown shimmery color and just blend that once more into the outer lid here. Then I'm going to take my smudge brush with this color here and a little bit of the magenta. I'm going to blend that right in my crease and just make this area pop. It's going to give it more of a burgundy. I'm going to take this dark color here. And now I'm going to go in with some concealer and contour my face a little bit, and I will be back to show you the finished look. Contour highlight complete. Now that we are done with that, I'll go down on my lower lash line. I'm going to take these two colors here. I'm going to really make my eyes pop. I really like the orange, like smoky look right now that's trending. So I'm going to take a little bit more of this orange color and a little bit of this and use that just to blend down my lower lash line and kind of bring that up. I'm just going to darken just like the very corner of my eye just to make that match up just a little bit. And I'm going to use the brown down here at the bottom. I'm just going to put that in the very, very corner. That's it. I'm going to take the copper color and blend that down on this side, right there, and then into my lower left. It's really making my green eyes pop. I love that. Now I'm going to take my dark brown Sephora liquid liner, and I'm going to make a really nice wing. Wings are my fave, and I actually haven't done my eyeliner in so long. I don't usually do eyeliner just because I don't wake up early enough to before work. And I only have this brown color. My black one just dried up. I was gonna do black, but this is what we got. Poppin'. The challenge with doing a wing is just getting both eyes to look the same. Now I'm going to take the highlighter in my Naked Skin Urban Decay Naked Skin palette. And this is the highlighter that I use for my cheekbones and my face. I'm going to blend that into my eyebrow and then down into my cheekbone highlight. And into my inner eye here. I just want that nose highlight to pop more. Gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. I love this burgundy look. It is so cute. And this is a wearable look for like daytime, nighttime, like all the time. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my mascara, and again, Mega Plush Volume Express, my favorite. I love this mascara because of the brush. The brush is just, like, it's not one that you have to use in like one direction and like have to like go all crazy. I can like do whatever I want and not have to worry about the positioning of the brush itself. And I don't have any lashes right now, but I do plan on getting some so that I can make it look better. I'm watching other YouTube tutorials and like pretty much everyone puts on falsies. But I'm not like a huge falsie girl like every day, so I really would only wear false eyelashes when like going to a concert, or I don't know, I just wouldn't want to wear them to work. And then for my lip, I'm going to use the Kylie lipstick in the color Commando, and this was part of her like nude set. I got like the 4-pack of these. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed the burgundy look that I created with the Kylie Jenner Burgundy palette. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Show me some love. I love doing this. It makes my heart smile, so thank you so much, you guys. I'm also going to include all the links for the products that I used today. Most of them are already in my other video, but I will include them in the description in this one as well. So if you're interested in any of these products, click on the link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, you guys. I love you.